Hello students, this is Dr. Neeraj Verma, Assistant Professor from Department of Zoology, PPN College, Kanpur. In this lecture, we shall talk about some immunity boosting foods. Immunity boosting foods are those food materials or those foodstuffs which increases the immunity of our body. Now let us define immunity. Immunity is the state of protection. In fact, it is the state of protection from various disease causing agents, state of protection from various pathogenic microorganisms, state of protection from various infectious agents. Our immune system employs those mechanisms and processes which ultimately protect us from these various infectious agents. A healthy body requires a robust immune system, and healthy eating is one of the ways to ensure that our body remain balanced from the inside. The food materials high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant contents can effectively boost our immune system, and thus they can form a protective covering that fight against infectious agents. Now let's talk about some immunity boosting foods. So in this category, the first is fruits. In fruits, the citrus fruits are very important for our healthy immune system. In fact, citrus fruits are very rich in vitamin C content, and vitamin C is crucial for our immune system as vitamin C is important for the formation of white blood cells. The white blood cells are the actually immune cells which provide protection from various disease causing agents. But as we know that vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin, so this vitamin cannot be stored in our body for a prolonged period. Therefore, it is crucial to consume vitamin C rich diet. For this, we must include a citrus food on a daily basis, or we can simply add a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice to our drinking water. Now, see some popular citrus fruits. So the popular citrus fruits includes Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is more commonly known as amla. Oranges, you all know, clementines. Clementines are something orange-like fruits. These are basically known as kenu. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is commonly known as chakodra, changrins, imli. Lemons and limes. You all are familiar about lemons and limes. The next very important fruit is papaya. Papaya not only contains vitamin C, but it also contains a very good digestive enzyme that is called papain. Papain is reported to possess some anti-inflammatory properties. So papaya are high in not only vitamin C and papain, but they also consist of some minerals like potassium, magnesium, and folate. And all these together are important for our overall good health and thus for our healthy immune system. The next category of fruit is kiwi. Kiwi is a non-citrus fruit. Kiwi and papaya both are non-citrus fruits. So vitamin C is not only found in citrus fruits, but there are some also another fruits which have a good amount of vitamin C content. And one medium kiwi contains approximately 71% of our daily recommended intake of vitamin C, and this helps to ward off various pathogens by increasing again the production of white blood cells. So these help to prevent infections and diseases. In spite of vitamin C, the kiwi also consists of vitamin E, folate, carotenoids, and polyphenols. So all these uh, components are present in our kiwi fruit. Next category includes dry fruits, and this includes nuts, basically almonds, walnuts, and cashew nuts. And these nuts are very high in vitamin E content. Vitamin E is chemically known as tocopherol, and it is a potent antioxidant. Antioxidant enhances our immune system by decreasing inflammation at the site of infection. It also boosts the production of white blood cells. So nuts are not only high in vitamin E content, but they consist of a good fat. It is called SDL. SDL means high density lipoproteins. So SDL are considered as good fat for us, and LDL are considered as bad fat for us. So these nuts are high in SDL. So nuts contains not only vitamin E, not only minerals, but they also consist of a good fat in the form of SDL. Now let's talk about some spices. So in this category, turmeric is very important. In fact, turmeric is a medicinal plant that has become part of society for nearly 4,000 years. In fact, turmeric is an essential part of our kitchen system, and the active component of the turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is responsible for the bright yellow color of the curcumin, and it is reported that curcumin is a potent antioxidant. It possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Some report says that curcumin has some anti-cancerous properties also. Curcumin is reported to possess uh, wound healing properties also. So uh, turmeric is very good for our overall health. Here the problem is that the turmeric has a very low curcumin content, and that is difficult to absorb. Therefore, it is suggested that that turmeric must be consumed with black pepper and healthy fat that increases its bioavailability. The next spice is ginger. Ginger is a great anti-inflammatory agent. In fact, ginger consists of an active component called gingerol, and this gingerol is known to possess anti-inflammatory properties. It is also act as an strong antioxidant like curcumin, and certain studies also suggest that it has some antibacterial properties also. So, such as the ability to combat specific bacteria. Ginger may also decreases chronic pain and might even possess cholesterol lowering properties. The next spice is garlic. In garlic, the active component is allicin, and this allicin is found in whole garlic cloves, and it is the compound responsible for garlic's pungent flavor, and it also converts to sulfur compounds which can enhance the function of white blood cells. Allicin improves our body's ability to fight against viruses also, and it is recommended that whole garlic clove should be used instead of its powdered form. Now come to the certain vegetables which are good for our immune system, and this includes cruciferous vegetables, means vegetables belong to the cruciferae family, and this essentially includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprout. So these potent vegetables are all members of the cruciferous family, and it is reported that these vegetables possess some anti-cancerous properties. Uh, they possess cancer fighting properties, and these vegetables are helpful in immune boosting vitamins. It means these vegetables also possess certain immune boosting vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and further it is suggested that some report says that these vegetables may prevent DNA damage also. So these cruciferous vegetables are very crucial for our healthy immune system. Next category of vegetables includes leafy green vegetables. So leafy green vegetables are not only rich in nutrients, but they also contain certain vitamins which are essential for our immune system. And this includes vitamin C and vitamin E. A very good example of leafy green vegetable is spinach. The spinach is rich in vitamin C, and it also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta carotene. Beta carotene is the component which is required for the synthesis of vitamin A, and this beta carotene is found in this leafy green vegetable. So, along with antioxidant properties, this beta carotene uh, also increases the infection fighting ability of our immune system. And the important thing is like that broccoli, the spinach is healthiest when it is cooked as little as possible. It is reported that prolonged heating of these vegetables may causes the loss of essential minerals and vitamins up to some extent. Therefore, it is recommended as these vegetables should be cooked as little as possible. Next vegetable is red bell peppers. It is reported that red bell peppers have the highest concentration of vitamin C than any other fruit or vegetable. And they are also a very rich source of beta carotene. So both vitamin C and beta carotene are very essential for our immune system. And red bell peppers contain nearly 10 times the amount of beta carotene and vitamin C as that of any other colors. And we know that beta carotene is essential for the formation for the synthesis of vitamin E. The next category of immunity boosting food includes green tea and black tea. Green tea and black tea possess flavonoids. Flavonoid is a type of antioxidant, and this is plentiful in both green tea and black tea. Green tea also possesses an antioxidant called epigalactocatechin. So this antioxidant improves our immune function. There is an amino acid called L-theanine. This is found abundantly in green tea, and this can help our T cells to fight germs more effectively. Now, let's talk about some seeds, particularly pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds. These seeds are high in protein content, and it is reported that chia seeds and sunflower seeds possess omega-3 fatty acids. And all these seeds possess minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamins like vitamin B. They also contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant we have just discussed. So flax and chia seeds are high in omega-3, which is good for our heart. Zinc is abundant in pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. Zinc is an essential part of certain enzymes of our body. So the enzymes which consist of zinc cannot function properly without this element. Therefore, zinc is also very important for our good health. Next category is yogurt. Actually, yogurts consist of probiotics, and probiotics are basically beneficial bacteria that keep our gut health and boost our immune system. Actually, probiotics are important for the good health of our gut flora. It is said that human body is a mixture of human cells and bacteria. These bacteria are obtained from these bacteria reside within the gut flora, and these probiotics are important for the good health of our gut flora. So they also keep with health issues ranging from heart disease to arthritis to cancer. And not only probiotics, the yogurt is also rich in vitamin D content. The vitamin D regulates the immune system, and it is thought to boost our body's natural defenses against diseases. Next is poultry. Poultry such as chicken. Chicken is very rich in protein content. In spite of protein, it is also rich in vitamin B content. And like vitamin C, vitamin B cannot be stored in our body. Therefore, we need daily intake of vitamin D from our diet. So in this regard, poultry such as chicken forms a very good diet for us. And this aid in the maintenance of a healthy metabolism, energy systems, and immunity. And protein together with vitamin B boosts our immunity and aids in muscle building. Vitamin C, vitamin B6 is an essential player in many of the chemical reactions that happen in our body. In fact, vitamin C acts as an coenzymes in certain reactions. Therefore, it is essential for our body. Next category of food includes shellfish. Shellfish are basically seafood, and these includes oysters, clams, mussels, lobsters, and crab. So these are the examples of shellfish. Shellfish are particularly rich in zinc, protein, and healthy fats, and all of these help to boost our immune system. They are also high in selenium and vitamin B, which aid in our brain health and immunity. So, in spite of all these food items, there is another list of food items which are equally important for our immune system, and these essentially includes mushrooms and many more. So, first, let us talk about mushrooms. So, for centuries, medical mushrooms have been a basic basis of Eastern medicine. It is uh, research indicates that they can help with heart health, cancers, and age related diseases. In spite of all these things, mushrooms are also a good source of vitamin D, like yogurt, and vitamin D is necessary for a healthy immune system, metabolism, and mental health. The next category of immunity boosting food includes sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta carotene. Beta carotene is a powerful antioxidant. We have we have discussed this beta carotene already, and this adds in the production of vitamin E content. Next category is fatty fish. The fish has been touted for its omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3 fatty acids are known to improve cardiovascular health according to some studies. And fatty fish are also high in vitamin D content. It is reported some research suggests that vitamin D supplementation finds linked to a lower rate of upper respiratory infections. It means the deficiency of vitamin D may increases the incidence of upper respiratory infections. Next is berries. Berries, especially blueberries, are very potent antioxidants. They can combat with oxidative stress in the body and boost immunity while lowering inflammations. Next is cherries. Cherries are high in antioxidants and they can protect against viruses. They contain anthocyanins and cyanidin as an active component, both of which help to reduce inflammations. So anthocyanins and cyanidins can act as anti-inflammatory agents. Cherries are also high in minerals such as potassium, which help with blood pressure and hydration. Next is beans. Beans are high in vitamin B content and certain minerals like potassium, magnesium, and fiber contents. Fiber is a source of nutrition for good gut flora. So, eating fibrous food like beans contributes to the growth of a community of healthy bacteria in our gut. A healthy abdomen equates to a healthy body and therefore a healthy immune system. Next is mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are basically high in magnesium content. So mustard seeds are a perfect addition to the immunity boosting superfoods because of its magnesium content. The magnesium rich mustard seeds promote new cell growth, it nourish our skin, increases red blood corpuscles production, and thereby boosts our immunity. Next is avocados. Avocados are considered as a popular superfood due to its versatility. This fruit is very high in folate, which aids in the proper growth and development of children. They also contain potent antioxidants, which help in the maintenance of a healthy immune system. Next is watermelon. A raw watermelon is a very high in glutathione. Glutathione is basically a non-enzymatic antioxidant and strengthens the immune system and helps to fight against infections. In fact, glutathione acts as an anti-inflammatory agent and it clears the infection. It reduces the inflammation at the site of infection. And the last one is raw honey. Honey has medicinal properties. Honey has antibacterial properties and it actually kills germs that enters within our body. Honey is also high in calcium, iron, and magnesium content. And it is recommended that in the morning, a glass of warm water with a teaspoon of honey is really very good for our skin and gut health. So, with this, this lecture is over now. Thank you so much.